Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, doctor. So, for this experiment, we're going to explore the fundamental physical properties of liquids, the buoyancy, density, and surface tension using simple household items. So, for our objective, it's objective to demonstrate how changing the volume of a fixed mass of clay affects its buoyancy and ability to support additional load. For this part, nag-sink in yung A kasi mas mataas yung density niya, which is 1.38 compared sa density ng water. Then, lumutang yung B since mas mababa siya compared sa A. Then, for this part, dito na po lumutang yung boat. Kaya niya hanggang 4 coins, pero sa perfect world, dapat lulubog na siya since lumagpas na ng 1. Pero halos palubog na rin. Halos pantay na yung water sa wall ng clay. Then, after dagdagan ng isang coin, tuloy na po siyang lumubog. So, that's it for our experiment. Thank you for watching.